In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your X account password. Now, it's important to start with a quick reality check. On X, formerly known as Twitter, there is no button or menu option inside the app that simply shows you your current password in plain text. This is a security measure designed to protect your account in case someone gains access to your phone or computer. So when people ask how to see their X password, what they usually need is either to look it up from somewhere it was saved before, or to reset it to something new that they'll remember. There are two main ways to handle this. The first is to check whether your password was saved by your browser or your device's built-in password manager. Many of us log in once, tap Save Password, and then forget about it. On most phones and computers, those saved passwords can be viewed later, as long as you can unlock the device itself. For example, on many mobile devices, saved passwords are stored in a system password manager that you can access through your device settings. You would open your settings, search for passwords or password manager, then look for the entry associated with X or its website address. When you tap on that entry, your device will usually ask you to confirm your identity using a PIN, fingerprint, or face unlock. Once you verify, you'll see the username and the saved password, often with an option to reveal or hide it. The exact menus differ between devices and browsers, but the idea is always the same. You're viewing what your device previously stored for you. If you find your X account listed there, you can view the password you used when it was saved. Keep in mind, if you've changed your password since then, the saved one might be out of date. In that case, use this as a reminder to update your saved password as well, so you're not stuck again later. The second option is for cases where you don't have a saved password, or you simply can't find it. In that situation, the secure and recommended approach is to create a new password using the X password reset form. To do this, go to the X login page and choose the option for forgotten password. X will guide you through confirming your identity, usually via email or phone, and then let you set a brand new password. Once you've reset it, be sure to store the new password safely. You can allow your browser or device to save it, or use a dedicated password manager so that next time you won't need to go through recovery again.